Wagoner with Barletta pontoon boats. I'm the regional sales manager for the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states here in the U.S. Today we're out on the water on the beautiful 2021 C20 UC. The C20 UC was designed to incorporate our Ultra Lounge, which has really been a trademark item for Barletta, into a 20-foot boat. And as you can see, there's a lot of nice space and room within the Barletta C20 UC. What's great about this boat is that you can fit 2 adults on either side of the bow of the boat with ample room. You also have fold-down armrests. Another true trademark item for Barletta is the boat is fully equipped with a number of USB ports throughout the boat. The doggy dish is a nice standard item with all Barletta boats. As we go to the helm, you'll see that there's a lot of legroom at the helm. Comfort fit legroom, I can really stretch my legs out. Along with other trademark items like the cell phone holder here at the helm. As I go to the port side of the boat, there's an additional cell phone holder and USB charger. What's great about this boat is that this co-captain seat will swivel around, and so you can have a nice conversation area here with your guests. The Barletta Ultra Lounge boats come with this stern gate. That way you can keep any children or any other of your guests inside of the boat as the boat is underway. Every Ultra Lounge comes with an additional USB port. And what's great is you've got so much functionality with the Ultra Lounge. Here it's displayed as a rear-facing lounge. As I move this down, you've got a full sun pad. You see there's a lot of room to walk around on the rear deck too. This is super nice because these middle cushions will come up on both sides, and now you've got a forward-facing bench. The other thing that's great about the Ultra Lounge is that not only do you have a forward-facing lounge, but as you can see, you also have a really nice rear-facing lounge. The C20 UC was really designed to incorporate the Ultra Lounge into a 20-foot boat, and it's just a great overall boat. People are really enjoying it, and we're certain you'll enjoy it too. Thanks a lot, and have a great day on the water.